This won't work as it is. Now, we'll fit the image to the full slide. Go to crop, then drag the side handles to the edges of the slide. Go to crop again, and choose fill. Now the image fills the entire slide. But an important part is missing. This isn't good either. Insert a small rectangle with the same aspect ratio as the slide. Duplicate this slide 5 times with Ctrl+D. On the first slide, keep only the bottom rectangle, and delete the rest. The selection order is important. First, select the pagoda, then select the rectangle. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. Use a line to center it vertically on the slide. Hold Ctrl+Shift to resize it from the center. Repeat the same steps for the remaining rectangles. It's a bit repetitive, but this is where the magic happens. This photo reminds me of Kyoto. I actually live nearby. Now the 5 cropped rectangles are placed full screen. Select slides 2 to 5 using the Shift key. Then choose Push from the Transitions tab. In Effect Options, choose from Top. Now, let's watch it in slideshow. The pagoda appears to rise from the bottom to the top. Here are a few more examples made the same way. This one is a bamboo forest. And this one is a castle. Even small wheat can be expressed like this. That's it. Thanks for watching.